is Namra and I am a junior consultant data analyst at Systems Limited. Previously, I have worked for Bluetech Consulting almost for 1 year. I took multiple courses from DICE Analytics in 2020 and recently I have attended Big Data course. So basically 3 to 4 courses join करने का reason ये था कि I was new to the data related field and I wanted to learn and explore data related field and wanted to choose my career path in data analytics. So regarding course contents were greatly distributed as in from very basic understanding to the advanced. So related to industry, basically we were given the assignments on the daily basis and on the weekly basis. So basically जब मुझे प्रोजेक्ट पे इंगेज किया गया था क्लाइंट के साथ, तो मेरी डाइस एनालिटिक्स में कोर्सेज लेने की वजह से जो बेसिक्स थी वो इतनी क्लियर थी कि मुझे लाइक क्लाइंट के साथ इंगेजमेंट में इतना इश्यूज नहीं हुए. The best thing that I believe is the hands-on experience. So basically जो हमें assignments दी जाती थी weekly and daily basis वो industry level project के according होती थी. So basically I think कि hands-on experience जो है वो काफ़ी important होता है. तो DICE Analytics में courses लेने की वजह से hands-on जो है वो इतना हो गया था कि जब मैं client के साथ engage हुई तो मुझे project में at least basic जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छे से clear थी, जो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा benefit था. Regarding instructors, they were very calm and have a great knowledge regarding the course content, and the main thing that they were engaging us in a very well manner. When I started from the scratch. So basically I didn't even know the data warehouse, like I was new to the data related field. So DICE Analytics के courses लेने की वजह से like मुझे बिल्कुल जो है different categories या different fields का idea हुआ, like data warehouse क्या है, data sciences and big data के related जितनी भी information थी. So basically DICE training is different from the other platforms because there are the few reasons. Like first one is कि support जो है वो fully provide होती है. You can ask any question at any time from the instructors and from TA. So basically WhatsApp पे भी available होते हैं and you can call at any time or you can get support. So second thing is the hybrid environment. So आप जो है वो online भी classes join कर सकते हैं and in campus भी join कर सकते हैं. So the most important thing is the quizzes and the assignments जो कि हमें weekly basis पे and daily basis पे दी जाती थी, और TAs and जो instructors हैं वो fully support कर रहे होते हैं. Like if you get stuck in any question you can get support from TAs and the instructors at any time. So basically ये चीज़ जो है वो आपको different बना रही थी like from other platforms. Definitely I would recommend these courses from DICE Analytics to those who are looking and passionate about their career and wanted to start their career in data related field.